Welcome to my channel. We were looking at the important anthropometric measurements used to assess the growth in a child. So we are done with the height in the previous video. Now let's look at the weight of a child. There are different types of weighing scales generally used to assess the weight of a child. They are beam type weighing scale, electronic weighing scales for infants and children, bathroom type of mechanical scale which is very unreliable, and when working in fields or community or Anganwadi centers, Salter spring machine is generally used. Average birth weight of a baby in India is 2.8 kgs. If the birth weight is less than 2.5 kgs, it is called as low birth weight. We should know how the weight of a child increases with age. We can do that by using growth charts that we will see in the further videos. But in case growth charts are not available, we have a simple rule of thumb to know the expected weight at different ages. So let's see how the weight of a child increases as he grows up. Suppose the birth weight of a child is X. Whatever be his weight, like 2.8 kgs or 3 kgs or 2.6 kgs, we are taking it as X. At around 5 months of age, the weight will become 2x. That means the birth weight doubles itself at 5th month of age. At around 1 year of age, this weight will become 3x. So the birth weight triples itself in 1 year. At 2 years, it will become 4 times the birth weight. At 3 years, 5 times the birth weight. At 5 years, it will become approximately 6 times the birth weight. At 7 years, 7 times. At 10 years, 10 times the birth weight. So this is how the weight of a child increases as the child grows up. Let's see the weight gain pattern week-wise. When the baby is less than 3 months, the baby gains 200 grams per week. At 4 to 6 months of age, there is a weight gain of 150 grams per week. At 7 to 9 months, 100 grams per week. At 10 to 12 months, the baby gains 50 grams per week. When coming to years, at first and second year of life, the baby gains 2.5 kgs per year. At 3 to 5 years of age, 2 kgs per year. So the minimum expected weight gain per month is 500 grams. In this way, we can know the expected weight at different ages if we know the birth weight. What to do when we don't know the birth weight of a child? How can we assess the growth? There are different formulas which we can use to know the expected weight of a child at different ages. Let's look at them. Formula for less than 1 year of age is x plus 9 divided by 2, where x is age in months. For example, if age is 3 months, then the expected weight would be 6 kgs if we take x as 3. Expected weight from 1 to 6 years will be 2x plus 8, where x is age in years. For example, if age is 3 years, then the expected weight would be 14 kgs if we take x as 3. For the age group of 7 to 12 years, the formula is 7x minus 5 divided by 2, where x is age in years. So if a child is of 7 years, we get expected weight as 22 kgs. So like this way also we can know the expected weight of a child at different ages. So till now we have discussed the important anthropometric parameters like height and weight by which we can assess the growth in a child. Remaining parameters we will see in the next video. Till then, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to get the new updates. Take care. See you in the next video.